Okay, now we have created the application. Now we'll see how to deploy this in the App Engine and see the runtime of it. So to deploy this application in the App Engine, first of all we need to create an application in the App Engine. So we'll see how to create one. So once you log in to appengine.google.com, it will list you all the applications you have created. If you have not created any application, you can create an application. So we'll give a identifier which is used to access that application. So just check the availability. If it's available, yeah, fine. You can give a application title, and you can, what is the authentication option, all that you can set here, and you can create an application. So now if you go to dashboard of this, so you can see no versions deployed in this application. Now we'll try to deploy our application and see the versions getting deployed. So to deploy the application that we have created in the App Engine, you need to go to the deploy option. It's there in the model perspective, the last icon, deploy in server. So it asks basically three informations from you. One is the application name. It equals to the application identifier that we have given when we have created the App Engine application, and the username password used to create that application. So we'll say appsamp-os video. Say deploy. So once it got deployed, you will get the successfully deployed message. Say OK. Now if you go to the appengine.google.com and if you go to that the created application, and so now it says first version is being deployed. And how do you access this application in the runtime is, say appsamp-os video.appspot.com. This is how the application comes, and I say admin at OrangeScape.com. Right, once you log in, this is how you see the application's runtime, and you could see none of the menus or options are coming. Basically, the application we have created is not exposed to the menus, or it is not exposed to the users for creating or accessing the data. So for doing that, you need to just choose this make public option, which is, you are saying you make this model as public and create as a menu. So if you're done with this and deploy it again, So it got successfully deployed. If you go and see, so you got the employee master as an option, and by default you get create new and draft as a menu options. So we'll go ahead and do create new. Now if you see, this is not the form that we have designed, right? So if you go and look at the form design again, so this is what we are seeing as part of the runtime. This is the form actually we have created. So why it is giving the default form is we haven't assigned the form that we have created for the activities. So there are two ways actually to map the form that we have created with activities. One is directly going to the process design, and for each activity you can assign a form. See, for example, for active you want to assign a form, you can go to connect editor option and select the form that you have created. Else you can go to the form and you can make this form as default, which is make default. So whichever form is default form, that form will be applied for all the activities in the process design. So we'll make this as default form now, and then we'll deploy. Yeah, deployed. Now we'll go and see the new form is assigned or not. Yeah, so now we have got the new form. So we'll create employee ID. So we'll submit this record. So whatever the success message we have given is coming as part of the alert. So we go to home. So you can say active employee is 1, and we have designed a queue. That queue is coming. So now these are not editable. These can be edited, and either the employee can be deactivated, or after editing you can submit. So right now I am deactivating this employee. So it came to deactivated now. So once it's deactivated, that's it, you cannot do anything. So that's all. So we have created a simple master using all the 4 perspectives. We have deployed in the App Engine, and we have seen the runtime of it also.